shit! I'm about to...
If I go down, the military's go on. Actually, wait, no. Save my ass.
What? No.
Ew!
Yeah, I'm pretty awesome.
Got a weapon here. Weapons here.
All right.
What? Yep. Bill! Bitch! Bitch! So bitch! So bitch! 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 So bitch! 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 Zoe! Bitch! Zoe! Bitch! Bitch! Careful!
No, no, no!
Hunter! They're behind us! Yeah, I'm pretty awesome.
Molotov's here! Grenade!
Faggot. Whoa, that was close.
Boomer.
Cover my ass.
I got you.
Nice job. Thought we were goners, huh?
Francis, use your first
Attention,
aid
bitch!
kit.
Come on, we ain't got all day.
I knew it was too good to last.
Coming! I'm coming! Thanks.
Reloading.
I've got your back.
Thanks. I owe you a big one.
Weapons here.
Francis, am I alone in hating Canada?
Man, don't worry. I hate niggers. Man, I've been hating Riverside all this time for...
What? Cool.
Fuck this.
Reloading.
Weapons over here.
You're gonna want to see this.
Help is on the way.
Hey, which one of you fags just fart? Hey, Bill, your sailboat
Sorry.
smells like boomer!
I've smelled worse.
Yeah, whatever you say, Professor Boomer! The Jews want to kill us. The gays want to kill us. The beaners want to kill us. How the fuck are we gonna reach
Let's
this
go.
island?